I back once more for, oh, what the hell, for another Roblox video. I wanted to do a small little fun video, because, you know, it was like, oh, it's the time for me to upload again. So, here I am. So this is Noob Train, where I can type in a number of noobs, and they spawn in, right, I know what you're thinking, hell is this, but don't worry, it gets better. They follow you. This truly is a great day. I can have my own army. My own army of... Oh, yeah, this is a thing. I can type in... that. Boom. Army of Goose. Army of Goose. Army of Goose. Okay, so I'm going to stick with 10, because I've played around with this a little bit, and if it goes over 10, if it goes to like 100, things don't really work out that well. We have walk speed, jump power, character size. Oh. Can I? Now we're as skinny as I am in real life. Hooray. Actually, hold on. Can I affect this more? Width. Width. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. No width. There we go. There we are. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can make it better. I can make it better. Oh god, it's a nightmare. I've made a mistake. The geese... Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, reset. Oh no, oh god, get rid of it. Get rid of it. Zero. I'm horrified. What is that? What is this? Who did this? Alright. Clearly that was a mistake. 69%, funny number. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna stick like this, because I don't know how to revert it back to normal. 15 little tiny geese. They're so small. They're so small. Okay, mission. Jump off the cliff. Here we go. Walk speed, let's set that to 20, because this is taking too long. When I said, okay, fine. No, not 100. Not yet. 50. There we go. This is good. Yes! Yes, my army! Yes! No, what are you doing? No, don't jump off. Not yet. Wrong timing. Okay, everyone behind me. Everyone behind me. Everyone behind me. My army of geese. No, God, no, why? Not yet. Get back in line. Get back in line. God, this is like trying to herd cats. This isn't... Oh... Ah... Okay. Slowly and carefully. Okay. Get up the cliff. Okay, maybe I should... No. We can do it. We can do it. I believe in the short boys. Ow. 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 Stop hitting me. Okay. Everyone... Okay, maybe I need to turn down the walk speed. Back to 16. It took longer, but maybe I won't have to suffer through the, you know, slowness. Alright, up the mountain. Treacherous journey. Okay, Christy got in the way there a second, but it's okay. We're going. We're rising up. Rising up. Someone can add the rest of the lyrics to Eye of the Tiger if they want to. I know it starts with Rising Up. That's the only part of the song I actually know besides Eye of the Tiger. Because I'm not smart. Alright, geese. Geese army, are you ready? Jump if you're ready. Alright, great. On 3. 1, 2... Wait, why didn't all you jump? I thought you were all gonna jump at the same time, you traitors. Yes, we are all down at the bottom now. Can I turn off the jump power to... Oh. 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 Oh, God. Okay, now, you might say, this isn't very exciting. What if I was to give myself 100 geese? Yes. 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 Okay, maybe make it a little bigger. There we go. Why are you shorter than me? Who did this? 100% for everything. Does that make sense? Oh, you're still very, very not wide. Oh, it's too wide. Too wide. We don't want wide. We want depth. Yes. 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 Oh, wait, I can reset. Okay. My army's still growing, but I think now is the good time. 3, 2, 1, boing! Oh! Oh, jeez. Move around, confuse the geese. Oh, God, it's raining geese. Hallelujah. It's raining geese. Hallelujah. It's raining geese. Ah. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. No, it's that I don't think they'll be able to find their way back. Oh, yo. We got our train back over here. What are those guys doing? Oh, this is a stupid idea. Okay. What are you doing? Where are you going? I'm over here, you half-wit. Alright. Not you, Goose. I love you. I know you're watching this. Anyway, moving on. I don't, like, stalk you or anything. Moving on. Awkward silence aside. What is that? What is that red blur in the distance? Is that the Flash? Oh, I forgot the jump power was that. I'll see you all in the next one. I just wanted to. I needed to film something to film my 1 per week quota. Yee. Stop! Don't shove me while I'm doing it. Stop shoving me while I'm doing. Stop!